Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to diagnose the check engine light on a Toyota. Here we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, but the issue with this car can affect other models as well, model years and other Toyota vehicles. So the problem here is that you press the accelerator pedal, it doesn't respond, check engine light is on and it's staying on. So we have our OBD2 scanner. So we have the YOUCANIC YOUCAN-1 OBD2 scanner, and then you want to press enter, and first we selected diagnostics. Here it says erase previously stored data on the device, so this doesn't erase anything from the car. It says 3 codes found and check engine light is on. Alright, here we go to read codes, press enter. Let's go to, well, we're going to look both stored and pending codes. So the store code is P2138, and it says throttle pedal position sensor, voltage correlation. Let's look at pending codes. It's the same code, P2138. So let's take a look at what's causing this issue and how to fix it. So right here you can see we're under the dashboard, brake pedal, gas pedal. The first thing you will need to do though is you have this cover underneath here, and it's held with one Phillips screw on that side and one on the other side, and it comes down, and then you can move this to the side. That will allow you to easily access the brake pedal right there, which is causing that code that we're seeing. And so to fix the problem in this case, what we need to do is replace that brake pedal. We're going to start by disconnecting the electrical connector. You'll need to press this, so you have to press that there and then pull. Don't pull on the wires, you're going to damage the connector. And then we have one 10mm bolt there and one down here. So once we remove those, we'll be able to pull that off and replace it. Okay, so both bolts are off. Sorry, you have the accelerator pedal right here, and this right here is detects the position of the gas pedal, and it sends the signal. So these are what's called drive-by-wire. They don't have a cable running to the engine anymore. It's electrical wires. It sends a signal to the engine control unit. So this here can go bad. When it goes bad, you have to replace this whole part. I mean, you could potentially try to open this up and try to clean it, but that's not always successful, and these are affordable, so it just makes more sense to replace them. And so get that first bolt started, and the second one, and then all we need to do is tighten those bolts and then reconnect the cable here. When you reconnect this cable, make sure that you push it in until you hear that click. You hear that click right there, so it's locked in place. You don't want that, and also you don't want to leave these bolts loose. You want to tighten those and make sure that the accelerator pedal is secure and it's not loose. And that's it. Put the cover back on. You can reconnect the OBD2 scanner to clear the codes, and that should be it. Thank you for watching.